In this video, I'll explain how to get started in affiliate marketing, even without a pre-existing audience on social networks. We'll look at the concept of audience and how it influences affiliate marketing. This method involves creating online content to promote products via referral links from different companies. 1. Join affiliate programs to get started. Join affiliate programs like Amazon and other marketplaces that offer commissions on sales made via your links. Once registered, generate your unique affiliate links from the program dashboard. Every time a user clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. If you're starting out without an audience, an effective alternative strategy is content creation. To create content that converts, focus on product reviews, tutorials, or honest comparisons. This attracts potential buyers. Choose the right platforms. Use YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to distribute your content. YouTube is particularly powerful because it combines Google visibility. 3. Optimize your content for SEO to attract visitors via organic Google searches. Then monetize your affiliate links to earn commissions on every purchase. Affiliate marketing is attractive because it doesn't require you to create products and can generate long-term passive income. Create quality, search-optimized content to attract organic traffic without a pre-existing audience.